In this episode, I'm going to be guiding you and showing you a simple step. What is the step? How to create a demo and a real account. And also, I'm going to be showing you the platform that you're going to be trading on. You're going to be trading on a platform called Deriv platform. It's a binary trading option platform. Now, I'm going to walk you through step by step. You're going to see how to create your account. The first thing I would want you to do, let's dive in straight into the phone so that I can get to show you. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to be needing to create an account. All right, if you're going to create an account, you need this. Okay, you need this. Now, these are images I want you to look at carefully. All right, in this image you will see that you have the link for account creation. All you need to do is to type BITL Deriv. You have TMNmedia for Deriv account and for binary account. Now I need to let you understand they are the same platform. It's just that they are migrating from, they are formerly known as binary.com. Now they are migrated to Deriv platform. So the first thing we would love to do is to go straight over. All right. Now I would want to type it for the benefit of others. Just open your Chrome browser. Now this is my own Chrome browser, so that we can start on a greater note. I'm closing everything, so I'm opening a fresh one. Right, all you need to do is to type in BIL, okay, .ly, then you have / you have TMNmedia, you can have Deriv. All right, that Deriv. Now that is the link. That's my own affiliate link. So you click on it. Once you press enter, the link will be available in the description of the video. Now you've created this. Once you land here, all you need to do is to create a demo account. Now you can see here, all right, I would like to move this so that you see it. You see here, create free demo account. That's all you need to click on. So I'm going to click on this. All right, now you need to enter your email. That's the first thing you need to do. So I'm going to put my own email here. I've created an email just for this exercise. So I'll say trade with TMNmedia. All right, that's the Gmail I created. All right, I'll say .com. All right, now I've done trade with TMNmedia. You click on agree. All right, you click on agree and you click on create a demo account. Okay, you can see the message that was sent. A message has been sent to my email, okay, with the link to activate my account. So you go to your email, you can see the email that I've created. The notification has arrived. I'll click on it. So you click on yours as well. Once you have done that, the next thing you do is you open the link that you have been given. You can see here, they say verify and start trading, and then they also provide you a link. Any one of them, either this, okay, or the link, anyone is okay. So I'll click on verify and start trading. This is just to conclude your account creation. Now they are both the same. So whether you created an account on Deriv or you created on binary, you are creating the same account. So now he's asking me a question. He's going to ask you a question. Where do you live? I'll suggest you pick your country. So my own country is Nigeria. So you're from Nigeria as well. You pick Nigeria. Now, if you are from other countries, there are some selections, okay? And there are some rules that governs those selections. So I click on next. All right, now that I'm clicking on next, now it says keep your password secured. So I'm going to be typing a password for the purpose of this exercise. All right, now I'm going to type a password. for the purpose of this exercise. I need you to understand. I'm still going to change my password anyway. So I'll say welcome. Welcome 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, that is the password, and you can see it there. Now it's not properly spelled, so I'll say you have to use password you know. Okay, password do you know that you have authority over. Now you can see what is telling me that it is a common password, so I'm going to change it to 1 2 3, okay, and add hash. You can see I've just changed it, okay, and $sign. Now this makes it a little bit, so I'm going to copy this password, okay, because I'm doing this exercise for you to see. So next thing you do is to say start trading. You have to keep your password very, 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 very secure, because you're going to be putting money here. All right, now you can see, voila, my account is ready. All right, I have just created a demo account. Okay, now you can see they are telling me start trading, whatever. You can click on any one of them. It's going to just show you around. But this is me creating a demo account. Now you can see automatically here we have, over here we have demo, and over here we have real. Right now I've only created a demo account, and a demo account comes with 10,000 US dollar to practice with. This is what you need for your practice. Okay, if you now want to start using real money, this is where you click on the real account. This is where I need to create a real account with the name. Okay, there has to be a name for the account. You have to create a name. There has to be a real name, a proven name with ID card. Do you understand? Now all I need to do is to provide you this. Click on create account. It's going to ask you for option to select US dollar, whatever. I will suggest to you to keep USD. All right, USD is easier to fund than all the other currency. So here I've selected US dollar. The next thing is you have to move to the next step. Click on next. Boom. All right, now here you need to provide your personal details. Okay, I already have an account, all right, with my name and everything, so I cannot have another one, but I'm going to fill this for the purpose of you, okay, seeing this. If I'm filling this, you can see my name, birthday is going to be there. You provide your birthday information. I can say like, for instance, let's say my actual birthday is actually 3rd. So let's see the month, the year, okay? I'm just going to leave the year like this, and I can put a month, okay? Month will be, I can pick, it's February, and my birthday is 3rd. So I set this like this. This is your birthday. You set your number. Are you seeing this information? You click on next. Now you're going to provide address. This is why I need you to provide addresses you know you have, bank statements that cover. Any address that you have that your bank statement can cover, or any address available that already also is in your bank statement, okay, to make your verification faster. So you put in all your line, okay, you put in all your line of addresses here. Once you've done that, you click on next. All right, now you can see all this. You have to mark them. When you are done, you click on add account. Okay, I cannot click on this add account. Why? I already have personal accounts that bears my full name. So if I'm going to be creating this name, I'm going to be conflicting my accounts. So you cannot have two accounts, one per person. So you have to provide all your detailed information. Remember, your address should be an address that is also available in your bank statement, okay? Then you know you can prove that you live there, or you can prove that you have information. It may be if need be, you have to update your bank address information for verification purposes. Now, because this thing is going to be receiving real money, now anybody can pretend to be anybody. So these are the informations you are going to be providing. Except I'm registering for another person right now, I can provide those details. These are for real accounts. So once you are done, you click add account, and it's going to add your account. All right. Once you click that, it's going to add your real account. Now I'm going to also show you what a real account looks like, because I have other real accounts right now. But before then, you can see this demo. You have demo, you have real. How do you also navigate? You can see this sensor here, this above here, that arrow that points down. That's where you can also see what you have. You can see, all right, we are on demo, and then there is real here. I'm showing you the platform that you're going to be operating on, okay? So you have real account and you have demo account. So anytime you want to add your account, you can click here and you add your real account, okay? Anytime you want to reset your balance, maybe it falls below 1,000, you click on this reset balance. You can see this reset balance here, okay? So these are the informations, and you can also see log out here where you get to log out. So these are the informations around the account you're going to be trading with, okay? Now, to further now show you, I've just shown you how to create a demo account, how to create a real account. Further information will be provided, how to verify your account and all others.